playing with the Pix 4D Discovery free trial download, and this was shot with a Mavic Air 2, and this is just quite amazing technology to be able to shoot. And this is just rough and raw. This isn't anything masterful. It's just playing around. You can see some missing images that weren't taken, how it points out the geometry through the ray map. This is just quite the fascinating stuff. I just thought this was interesting. A lot of people don't bother to play with this stuff. And this was all shot with a right around a 12-minute mission. And you can see all the points where they were taken, and from there what images and ground points it can pick up. And then you can select a point on the ground and see what all images contain that, and then the mark ground point as an indicator in other images. Very cool stuff. Very cool.